Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir sind wieder oder immer noch in diesem seltsamen Wald. Wir wollten nicht drumherum laufen, um unnötige Zeit zu verschwenden, also sind wir mitten durch den Wald, der wohl gefährlich ist, so wurde uns gesagt. Und ja, wir verstehen so langsam auch warum. Unsere drei, die noch in der Gruppe dabei waren, die habe ich unterwegs verloren. Und jetzt sind wir gerade auf dem Weg, sie zu suchen. Irgendwas macht mir hier ein bisschen Bauchkrummeln. Mal abgesehen vom roten Nebel, der garantiert nicht normal ist. Okay. War ich hier schon mal? Da links geht's hoch. Ich geh mal hier links entlang. Immer erstmal links. Nee, hier war ich schon mal. Also diesen Baum da, den kenne ich. Aber ich will ja auch zurückgehen. Nee, ich gehe jetzt erstmal rechts, pass auf. So, da runter. Dann da nach rechts. Was ist denn das da hinten? Das habe ich jetzt noch nicht gesehen. Größerer
They
Dingens.
followed you.
Okay.
They trusted you. You shouldn't have. You led them to their death. How could you?
Ich mache mir selbst auch Vorwürfe, da brauche ich nicht noch euch.
You can't find them. If she can. She might find them. Keep looking. You might save them. They're all dead.
Wir sind nicht tot.
Alstead! Who's that? A figure. Someone there.
Wo? Okay, hier komme ich definitiv vorne nicht weiter. Aber daneben komme ich weiter. Hoffe ich. Doch da vorne ist wer. Da steht doch wer. Da. Das ist doch Astrid, oder wie sie heißt. Hey Astrid, alles klar.
She's alive. She's safe. You have to help her. You called her.
Hallo?
Alstead!
Hallo?
Why can't she see?
Ah,
Senua, is that you?
She's dead.
ja.
I'm so lost.
I thought I'd lost you.
Nee.
I'm here. Where are the others? I don't know. I turned around and you were all gone.
She's
What is
terrified.
happening? There are voices at the edge of hearing and
Da ist
and
wer.
movement all around.
You understand this?
Figures
Da war wer.
in the shadows.
You know what
Da
that's
ist wer.
I think I see them in the trees, but when I look again, there's nothing there.
You can help her. Her fear. It makes her see what isn't there.
None of this will hurt you. Don't let it rule your mind.
That's it.
I can fight things I can see.
Yes.
Things that bleed when struck with a spear. I'm lost here.
She's
I
changed.
know how you feel.
We know.
Believe me.
We understand.
But we have to keep going.
We understand. Stay strong, Astrid.
I will get you through this.
She can help her. You can help her. Yes.
Aber jetzt nicht einfach wieder verschwinden. Das kannst du doch nicht machen.
Follow her.
Folge ihr? Okay. Ja, nee, ist schon in Ordnung. Geradeaus weiter, solange wir uns noch sehen. Ich bin hier, lauf weiter. Hier bin ich. Komm.
I only half believed.
She knows what it's like. You know what that's like. This
Ja, aber
place is
sie
preying
kommt
on
hier
them.
nicht weiter.
Their darkest fears.
Ah, doch. Ja, warte. Nee, nicht so schnell, nicht so schnell. Guck mal, vielleicht.
The path takes me back into the woods. I
Stick
don't want to be
together.
alone here.
Help her.
Follow the river upstream. I'll find my way across to you, I promise.
You have to. Can
Okay.
you make promises, Senua? Promises you can't keep.
Okay.
Keep your promise.
Jetzt muss ich mich aber beeilen. Ich habe nicht vor, die lange
Lost forever.
alleine zu lassen. Das ist nicht so cool. Okay. Da ist der Fluss. Ich habe keine Ahnung, ob der hoch oder runter läuft. Müssen wir vielleicht mal gucken. Sieht man das? Vielleicht mal hier.
Who's there?
A figure. Fargrimmer.
Is it?
Who is it?
Was?
So dark now.
Misty.
Ach, da vorne.
Fog everywhere.
Krieg ich sie jetzt alle wieder zusammen?
It's
Hallo?
Fargrimmer.
Fargrimmer.
Senor? Senor, is that you?
lost. He is totally changed.
There's a fog around me,
Yes.
before my eyes,
He can't see.
That's like.
inside my head.
He has lost himself.
Lost himself to the darkness.
He can't stay here.
I
Slipping
I
away.
tried to have faith,
You need more than faith.
to keep them from falling apart. But there's something dark in this place.
Darkness.
He sees it.
Through it. Rotten and tainted.
His own darkness.
Help him.
Help him.
You are Fargrimmer. Wondrous mask. Yes, tell him.
Who can find his way anywhere, can see the light in anything.
He saw the light in you.
He saw it.
And it grows dark now. And I cannot see the way.
Help him.
Jetzt nicht wieder verschwinden.
I'm lost here.
You were lost and he helped you.
Follow the sound of the river. I will find you.
He is fading.
You have to get him out of here.
He is not strong enough.
He doesn't have long.
He always knows what to do.
And now he's lost.
Lost forever.
Doubting
Blinded.
in this place.
She did this to him.
This place did this to him.
Er geht also auch weiter den Fluss hoch.
Where's Thorgester?
Eine ähnliche Szene gab es in Hellblade 1, wo es mir genauso ging.
Keep them safe.
Und Dillion hat mich rausgeführt.
Around. Lost lambs, so afraid, blind,
Could still save them.
alone. You'd do anything to keep them safe, wouldn't you?
This is your darkness speaking.
Da hat Dillion mich gerettet, wo ich quasi in einem Art Wachkoma war. Ich konnte wohl reden, aber nichts sehen. Und Dillion hat mich mit seiner Stimme, er hat gefragt, was ich sehe. Da ist er, da vorne. Da läuft er.
But you
Das
can't
ist,
save everyone, Senua.
Maybe she can.
Sometimes
sind beide,
there
guck
are
mal.
choices to be made.
Which one are you going to save?
och,
Will you
nein. Nein. Ich kann nur zu einem oder zu einer. Kann ich sie nicht beide retten? Erst zu ihm und dann zu ihr? Also sie hat tierisch Angst, weil sie das nicht kennt. Sie ist eine gute Kämpferin, aber nur gegen Sachen, die sie sehen kann, die physisch da sind. Er wiederum kennt wohl die Situation und er weiß deshalb auch, dass er verloren ist. Er findet nicht raus. Also da ist jetzt nicht das eine besser oder das andere schlechter oder was weiß ich was, wo man sagen könnte, oh, es wird jetzt nebliger. Oh, ist das gemein. Ich weiß nicht, wen ich retten soll. Augen zuhalten, Leute. Ihn werde ich retten. Es tut mir leid. Astrior. Ich hoffe, dass ich deinen Namen richtig ausgesprochen habe, aber...
Him.
Wo ist sie? Die ist jetzt weg. Bei
We have
ihn
to
habe
find
ich.
the others. Come with me.
Why?
Yes. Yes.
Der Nebel lichtet sich hier jetzt auch ein bisschen. So. Kann ich jetzt nicht einfach zurückgehen? Kommst du mit? Ich komme hier nicht mehr hoch. Komm, wir müssen die anderen retten, komm. Komm mit. Komm mit. Hallo? Nicht stehen bleiben, mitkommen. Was ist los mit dir? Ich gehe schon mal vor, aber du kommst mir nach, ja? Gut. Sorry, aber für einen, der sich gerade verloren hat, bist du ziemlich...
Focus.
He's not much of a fighter.
Das stimmt wohl. Geht es nicht weiter. Ja, noch hier. Ist noch da, ja. Gut. Steht da vorne wieder wer? Das ist sie doch wieder.
Without you, she will be facing her demons on her own. Demons she cannot fight.
Who's there? Don't come any closer.
Nein, ich bin's.
Sitter.
There.
It's me.
So lost. Help her.
Senua?
Ja.
Senua, I thought I'd lost you. I looked for so long. I thought you'd left me behind.
Nein.
Do that. Come on, let's go. Stay close.
Und wirklich in der Nähe bleiben jetzt. Okay. Ich guck, dass ihr mir auch wirklich beide nachgeht. Okay. Beide nachgehen.
Where's
Kommt mit.
Thorgester?
I thought I saw him. He was following me, sword drawn.
Was?
That wasn't him.
Würde ich auch sagen. So, aber er muss ja irgendwo noch sein. Da vorne sitzt er. Hey,
Thorgester.
Kollege. Alles klar.
He's changed, different now. His eyes are red. Has he been crying? Something has happened here. What's happened?
What happened to you?
Something terrible.
I think I saw
What did he see? Something changed him.
something I had to do.
What was it? What did he have to do?
I didn't want to do it. He forced my hand.
Who? Something terrible.
Who?
A vision.
No. It's nothing. Just tricks.
Is it real? Oh, nothing is ever nothing.
Let's leave this place.
Get out. Get out.
Er hat ja
His
genauso
past
die
haunts
Dunkelheit
him. Get them out of
in
here.
sich
Yes,
wie
get
wir.
them out of here.
Ich glaube, dass auch er eventuell Stimmen hört oder die Dunkelheit in sich hat, die...
Up here.
Kommst du mit? Gut. Okay.
She lost them, drowned them in their fears. Let the forest lay them bare and scour their minds. She knows that deep excoriation, the fear you will not see the end of. And yet, they made it through. She found them,
Es sind irgendwie durchgekommen, ja.
safe to keep on walking, fight her corner, share the weight. But who is changed and who is not? Do they look at her and doubt? They follow still. No blame, no striking out in hate. But their minds are shuttered tight and closed off to her eyes. What did Thorgester see, so dark he cannot speak? And Astrida, her primal pain. Fear like that will shake you. The wanderer, always so sure, has a certainty been lost. There's no time now to question or look back. The choice is made.
Okay, ich glaube, wir haben es halt wirklich geschafft, aber wie oft? Was hat die Erzählerin da gerade gesagt? Ist Astrior, ist die jetzt Weil wir halt Torgester, nee, den Faramir, Boromir, keine Ahnung wie er heißt, der mit F, dass wir den zuerst gerettet haben. Aber wir sind hier nicht im Kindergarten. Ich habe sie alle gerettet. Die Reihenfolge ist egal. Ich habe sie alle wieder gefunden. Wir sind alle wieder zusammen. Und hier sind wir endlich draußen, hoffe ich doch. Was ist denn hier? Warum? Zumindest ist kein Nebel mehr. Das ist doch schon mal gut. Aber wird sonniger auf jeden Fall. Mal ein bisschen Zahn zulegen hier. Ich glaube, wir sind draußen endlich. Seid ihr noch dabei? Okay. So. Ich glaube, wir haben es geschafft. Wir sind aus dem Wald raus, auf jeden Fall. So. Ich kriege voll die neuen 1, 2, 3 Paranoia, dass sie irgendwann nicht mehr dabei sind. So. Ich glaube, wir wissen so ungefähr, wo wir hin müssen. Da hinten hin. Da brennt es. Ist das das Dorf, wo wir hin müssen?
We're not far now. We can see it from here.
There. Borgarverki.
So.
All the signs she followed have led her here. Finally, so close to the heart of darkness. The root of the fetid flower whose stench she tracked across the sea. A fortress she must break, not with sword and spear, but open eyes and strength of will.
Das ist mal wirklich eine Festung, nicht schlecht. Ach du Scheiße, sind das meine Leute?
Are they still? Yes,
Ja.
they're still alive. You can feel it. How could they? Suffering. Look. They are for the giant sacrifices. Monsters. Monsters. How can they?
What is that?
Make it stop, Senua.
That is
You have to.
where we sacrifice the offerings.
Monster.
People. Thorgestur.
Yes. People.
It's where you sacrifice people.
People.
It's where you tie them up and watch them die.
Slowly release
We
them.
have to rescue them.
We'll go inside. I'll tell my father, and he will cut them down.
Light is fading
Can't
fast.
just leave them.
They're suffering.
You can't. You can't.
I'll stay there. Fagrima, can you please cut them down?
So much
Who's
suffering.
going in?
The Ark know you. I know Strider. And I don't like you. I don't want to start anything before I've spoken to my father.
You don't know yet, Senua.
Okay. Just me and Thorgesta then.
Tell him. They will help them.
Rescue the people and keep them safe.
We will.
Yes.
We'll come back.
But wait until we are inside.
Are you really going to just walk in? They will kill her for sure. She has to. Thorgesta will tell them. You trust him? Look what his father does. Look what her father did. They are not their fathers. She is different. We are different. He is different too.
She's come so
Was wird uns
far.
da drin erwarten?
Crossed an
Dein
ocean,
Vater,
left
ja,
one
das
world
weiß ich
and
aber.
found another. All the blood, all the fire, everything she's seen carried on a hidden tide. This is the end, the point where light vanishes. And yet it is a pale and quiet place. Hush. Can this be the place she fought so hard to find?
Something is wrong with him. Something's not right. He is frightened.
You're worried.
I wasn't supposed to come back
He would
empty-handed.
have dragged you here in chains, Senua.
But all's well. He'll forget about that when he hears what
Du
we
tust mich
have
jetzt aber nicht verraten, oder?
Changed. I don't trust anything he's saying. He wants to change, does he?
They've spotted us. Will they want to chain me up again?
I won't let that happen.
Really? Maybe the Biag will turn on him. And then what will you do?
It's me! Thorgeston!
Who is he with? Them or you?
Trust me. However it might seem,
There's no turning back now.
I'm with you.
It's what he wants to
Egal wie es aussieht, er ist auf meiner Seite.
do, Senua. Is he strong enough?
Gods,
Are you strong enough?
I thought you were dead.
Me? Dead? I would see you dead first, often.
He plays their game. He talks their talk.
It is good to see you, my friend.
She's with me.
The others.
You are safe with him. He is welcomed here.
We're returning from ill.
Stay close.
3 days of clear skies.
Maybe you trust him. Do you trust the others?
Approaching what I knew.
Devastation everywhere. Who knows if they will listen to him?
Spy
All she has lost,
swear.
and all she has to lose.
Storm I have ever seen.
They hear. All the names she carries on her heart, she remembers. This is the last sign.
His father's influence is strong. Your father's influence was strong. But he is not his father. You are not your father. You know what it's like to have a father like his. You can show him the way. There is nothing you can do. Even if he wants to have changed, is it possible? You can help him. But can he help himself? You have to stay with the plan now. There's nothing you can do. There is no turning back now.
Ich muss ihm
Are
vertrauen.
you really ready to meet this kind of evil? This kind of monster? Your purpose. Are you ready, Senua? No. She has to be.
Not return. The others are lost.
Who is this you have brought? She does not look like a slave.
She wants to join us. I bring news often. News that could change.
The last sign.
Okay, der versucht jetzt den
Circled round in red,
beizubringen,
a bloody barrier against
dass
the
ich
night
bei ihnen mitmachen will, also
to shield you
ihnen
from
helfen will.
savagery.
Das ist sein Plan.
But the true darkness is inside, not out. It always is.
His father.
The one who clouds her mind is here, just as she knew he would be. Some things don't change. There's always one who will seize the reins, see a field of pain and reap it. Ripe blood and bitter tears. Her father, his father.
Look at him. Sitting there on his throne, worshipping himself.
Thorgester, my boy! You've returned.
The goatee. Makes my skin crawl. This isn't going to work.
When we did not hear from you, I fear the worst.
He does not care for his
How
son.
was your raid? Where are the slaves you brought?
Dead, all the lost
We hit
ones
a
dead.
storm coming into land. I'm sorry,
Don't apologize.
but father, we found something more important.
Let's see if this man can listen. I doubt it.
Something important, you say? A souvenir from your travels.
Calls us a
Father,
souvenir.
listen.
Souvenir.
The giants, they can be killed.
I can kill them. We can kill them.
This woman Senua, she knows how.
He won't believe you. Give him a chance. Look in his eyes. Show him who you are.
A souvenir that kills giants.
I
He doubts.
The giants cannot be killed. No more than gods
Tell
can.
him.
I've seen it with my own eyes. Seen 2 giants torn to stone.
He doesn't believe.
I can kill them.
And I could kill you. We could kill you.
This is nonsense, Thorgester. And dangerously close to Gothgau.
You should kill him.
You cannot defy the giants. I alone know how to keep them at bay. Do not turn your back on me.
You must. He must.
He has caused
You
so
are
much
a
pain.
simpleton.
He needs the giants to give him power. He uses the giants to control people. Make Thorgester understand.
He needs to understand.
There will be no swaying him. I have known men like him.
Listen to her.
Theirs must be the only voice. This is his chance to change.
I will convince him.
No, he is weak.
He wants to fight. He just needs to believe it is possible.
He loves his father.
Thorgester.
She is a liar.
Should never have trusted him.
And you an idiot.
Senua.
This is some trick to overthrow us and destroy all we have built.
Stay calm.
So das
You
Gefühl, dass
will
er die
watch me
Riesen
silent
braucht.
tonight as the giant takes his tribute.
Will you get out?
See how indomitable, how terrifying it
There will
is.
be no tribute.
See how there is no chance in hell you could defeat it.
We have defeated them.
And see how I turn it aside. How I control it through my sacrifice.
Genau das.
Nothing now.
How it leaves us in peace.
Peace for who?
He will kill her, destroy her.
See how I have saved my people.
Never have come here.
There are no people waiting down there. What will happen
It's
when he
nearly
finds out?
time. Follow me!
Thorgester, stop him.
Stop.
Why doesn't he do something?
He is weak. You should never
He
have
said
trusted
he
him.
was with us.
The sacrifices are gone! Free! There's no one there.
Now!
The giant. It's come.
Take her down to the gate.
Jetzt soll ich geopfert werden. Oh, shit. So. An dieser Stelle eine kurze Entschuldigung, bis es weitergeht. Eieieiei. Eventuell habt ihr eben gerade Musik gehört, die nicht dazugehört haben. Tut mir leid.
Senua,
Make you strong.
Ich hab einen Wecker gestellt.
die here.
Rage them.
And nothing will have changed.
Afraid of yourself. Don't fight. Do it for them. Find the moment.
Ach, das ist sein Schwert, oder? Ja, okay.
You need to survive. You are smarter than him. What are you doing?
Get out of his way.
Ey, sag mal, Okay, das Spiel will nicht, dass ich ausweiche. Also es ist hier mal wieder extrem klar. Manchmal funktioniert, also da kannst du ausweichen, wie du willst.
They don't deserve any. You're so much faster.
Da kannst du ausweichen, wie du willst. Das Spiel lässt dich nicht.
Doing?
Zum Beispiel hier. Die ersten 3 Mal ging es doch auch. Warum geht's denn jetzt nicht? So. Einer weg.
Senua! The giant is coming!
I know. The slaves. You're safe.
What happened?
Nagodi wouldn't listen. I told you. He knows we freed the sacrifices.
Like your father.
He wants to offer me instead.
The Thorgestur.
He was weak. I don't know. He didn't try to stop them.
I knew we couldn't trust him.
Yes, she is
Where's
right.
the body? We kill him. Now.
Let's
Wait!
End this.
Senua, we need to kill the giant right here,
right now, in front of the Björk. Show
Aber
them the
wir
truth.
kennen seinen
Just like
Namen
you
nicht.
showed Thorkester.
They'll never learn. All they understand is death. We need to end this so we can be free.
She is right.
Again.
Kill the Gobi.
What are we going to do, Senua? What?
Senua?
Fagram. I don't know.
She can't. She doesn't know his name.
Thorgesta.
Come on.
He needs you.
Maybe it's a trick.
A trap.
To lure you in.
And then kill us.
Kill us.
Don't be stupid.
Okay,
Be careful. This is some kind of trick.
natürlich ist das ein Trick.
She trusts
What are you going to do?
We told him already.
I don't know its name. I don't understand.
We cannot fight him
I
yet.
can't fight
Ich glaube,
it.
dass der Vater was mit dem Riesen zu tun hat.
We need his name.
We need his name.
Und was er damit zu tun hat, kriegen wir morgen raus. Bis morgen.